In this video, we're gonna do an unboxing of both flagship cards from AMD and NVIDIA. Stay with me and we'll see what's on the inside. We're gonna start with the NVIDIA card here, the 3090. Man, this box is heavy, that's for sure. And cut here. Come on. Okay. Wow. That's a big card. That card is humongous. That card is really, really big. So let's get this out of here. Man, this thing's heavy, dude. It's heavy. Man, look at that. That's just beautiful. Wow, that's a chunky card, man. That thing is chunky AF. This thing is huge. I mean, look at this compared to my head. It's big. That's the card right there. Look inside. Looks like we got some kind of box here. And is there anything else in here? Nope, doesn't look like it. So just put this away for now. Okay, so let's see what's in this thing. There's like a cable and like a manual picture right there. Not exactly sure what that is, but we'll find out. Okay, so we got a little warning card here. This appears to be the 12-pin microfit adapter that goes right on the top of the card here. We got some kind of quick start guide. So just like the video card, we got a nice thick chunky book that's like a 1/4 inch thick. That's probably just a bunch of literature. Put this back. Take a look at this 12-pin micro connector here. It's interesting. Just goes in like that, I'm assuming, because the clip's on the top. I think that's how it goes in. Let's see. Literally just goes in like that, and that goes to your double 8-pin PCIe slots. Just take this out for now without breaking anything, hopefully. So that's what Team Green has to offer. So I'm gonna put that over there for now. All right, now we got the 6900 XT. Let's see. Looks like this does not come with any type of sealing tape on it from the factory, so we don't need this. All right, so I'm just gonna open it. Okay, so I'm assuming they want you to open this flat. There's these two things here, it looks like you put your fingers in. Go like this. Yep, there's like a little tray in here. And this appears to just be an empty box. So we got the box out. Got a little foam cover on top here. A little welcome packet. Let's see what's in here. Driver CD. Okay, I haven't seen that in a while. Since I actually used one, rather. They probably all come with one. I just haven't used a driver CD in a long time. Here's the card itself. All right, look at that. That is a beautiful card. I'm sorry, but this reminds me of Team Rocket, where it says R right there. That's totally Team Rocket. I'm sorry, that's what it reminds me of. One thing I will say though, this is a heck of a lot smaller than the NVIDIA flagship card. Oh, look at the back of this. Those are a whole bunch of the, I think that's called MLC or something. They say the smaller looking little resistor things or whatever these things are better. All right, let's compare the two. So they're both orientated in the same way. Take a look like that. There is a heck of a size difference. This one is much taller, much longer and thicker, and this is the top view of the cards. So they got a little bit of red accent here. We've got the dual 8-pin right here, and the power pin on this one is right there. Look at the thickness on that. All right, let's look at the backs. I'm being as careful as I can with these cards. Got a really nice MSI cover. Yeah, I mean, this is one chunky card for sure. I mean, look at this thing. Put it up on its side like that. That is a significant difference in both thickness and height. We're gonna weigh these cards and I'm gonna show you the difference in weight. This is fresh out of the box. Both of them are the Founders Editions, I wanna say. This is probably called more the Reference Edition. The Founders Edition is actually different from the Reference Edition for the NVIDIA side. Okay, so first off is the AMD 6900 XT. That comes in at 3 pounds, 5 ounces. It's about average weight of like a 2080 Ti or something. Now this one I'm expecting to be heavy. It's pretty big. So this one comes in at 4 pounds, 12.8 ounces. It's almost a pound heavier. Wow, that's one thick boy. Thanks for joining me here in this unboxing. It's just a quick unboxing of these cards. Anyways, guys, if you like what you saw in this video, don't forget to get subscribed. In our next video, we might even go over what this hash is at. They say it's 120 mega hash, which is just insane. That's just crazy. We're definitely going to do more content on these cards, and we'll see you in the next video.